Ever feel trapped by your landline? Stuck with expensive rental fees, limited features, and a clunky phone tethered to the wall? If you're nodding your head like a metronome set to annoyance, then you're not alone. Millions are yearning to ditch their landlines and embrace the freedom of modern calling. But here's the thing. Some folks worry that switching to a VoIP service like Ooma means giving up their beloved phone. Let's face it, that old, trusty device might hold sentimental value, or maybe you've just grown accustomed to its quirks. So, the question lingers. Can you use your own phone with Ooma? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. In fact, using your existing phone with Ooma is a breeze. Here's how it unlocks a world of convenience and savings. Freedom from proprietary phones. Unlike some VoIP providers, Ooma doesn't force you to use their branded phones. You're free from the shackles of potentially overpriced, feature-limited devices. This empowers you to leverage the phone you already know and love, whether it's a sleek smartphone or a classic landline handset with a comfortable grip. Compatibility. Your phone's ticket to Ooma freedom. Now let's talk compatibility. Ooma works with a wide range of phones, including classic landline handsets. Got a trusty landline phone you can't part with? No problem. Ooma connects seamlessly with most corded and cordless phones. You can keep using your existing phone jacks and enjoy crystal clear calling over Ooma's reliable network. Smartphones. Love the power and convenience of your smartphone? Ooma integrates beautifully with both Android and iOS devices. You can use the Ooma app to make and receive calls, access voicemail, and even manage your account, all from the familiar interface of your phone. Setting up your phone with Ooma. The process of using your own phone with Ooma is delightfully straightforward. Here's a quick rundown. Ooma Telo installation. The Ooma magic starts with the Ooma Telo device. This nifty little box connects to your internet router and translates your regular phone signal into data packets for crystal clear VoIP calls. Setting it up is a breeze. Follow the clear instructions provided by Ooma. Connecting your phone. Once your Ooma Telo is up and running, connecting your phone is as simple as plugging it into the phone jack on the device. If you're using a cordless phone, you might need to follow your phone's specific pairing instructions. Ooma app for smartphones. For smartphone users, download the Ooma app from the App Store or Google Play. The app allows you to make and receive calls using your existing phone number, even when you're away from home. It's like having a virtual landline extension on your phone, wherever you go. Beyond compatibility. Additional perks of using your phone with Ooma. The benefits of using your own phone with Ooma extend beyond simple compatibility. Here are some additional perks to consider. Save money on phone rentals. Ditch those pesky monthly phone rental fees. By using your own phone, you'll keep more money in your pocket. Keep your phone number. There's no need to say goodbye to your familiar phone number. Ooma allows you to easily port your existing number, ensuring a seamless transition for you and your contacts. Use the features you love. With Ooma, you can leverage the features you already enjoy on your phone. Whether it's voicemail transcription, call forwarding, or even video calling on smartphones, you can continue using the functionalities you rely on. Embrace the future of calling. Ditch the landline, not your phone. So, there you have it. You can absolutely ditch your landline and embrace the future of calling with Ooma, all while keeping your trusty phone by your side. Ooma offers exceptional compatibility, a straightforward setup process, and a ton of cost-saving benefits. With Ooma, you can finally break free from landline hell and experience the freedom and flexibility of modern calling, all on a device you already know and love. So what are you waiting for? Cut the cord and join the Ooma revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.